Oh, hey, I'm Jeff Westmiller. Welcome to Weapons of the Card Shark 2. This DVD is a compilation of card cheating moves for primarily Texas Hold'em. Due to the complexity of these moves, it is recommended that you first study the first DVD, Weapons of the Card Shark, before viewing this DVD. We'll start off in the simpler moves and then move on to more difficult techniques as we progress. Enjoy the DVD. This first shuffle I want to show you is a variation of the push-through shuffle. It was published in Enchantments by Wesley James, at least a version of it was. I thought I came up with it a long time ago, but I found that it was also in that publication. Shuffle looks just like this. You get a real good illusion of the cards being squared as you kind of caress the side of the deck. But, as you all know, in any blind shuffle, all the cards stay in the same position. All right, now comes the fun part where you guys get to be in on the secret. I'm going to show you exactly how this shuffle works. You're going to cut the top half of the deck to the right, and you're going to cut less than half because you're actually going to shuffle one packet into the other packet. So you cut less than half over to the right. I got probably about 20 cards here. And then what you're going to do is begin riffling them together, but you're going to do this by riffling a few cards off the left-hand packet first. That'll give you some breathing space to do the move a little bit easier. Then you begin shuffling the packets together, and you want to end with cards on the left packet on top. Okay, you begin to push them together, and here comes the big move, and that's done with the middle finger and the thumb of the right hand. What you're going to do is kind of push this packet, which is the original top packet. You kind of angle it diagonally like that. I'm pushing up like this, kind of like you're opening up a bottle cap. And once you bring it up to this point, with your middle finger, you're going to caress the right side of the deck, but you're going to apply pressure, because when you apply pressure, it's going to cause that packet to slightly protrude from this side. Okay, that's your brief, and that's what you're going to strip out in a second. Then with your with your left middle finger and thumb, you're going to straighten out that packet. So this is the situation. You have the original top half buried amongst the bottom half. And with your middle fingers and thumbs of both hands, you're going to strip out that top packet, just like this. And strip them out and complete the cut, just like that. And the deck comes back to its original order. And that's a push-through variation. This next blind shuffle I want to show you is the pull-through shuffle. Same kind of concept as a push-through, but after doing a lot of research, I found that they really are quite different. A lot of people use them interchangeably, but this is the pull-through, and no cards change position. Now I'm going to show you guys the secret of the pull-through shuffle, which is similar to the push-through because the packets go through one another, but it's done a little differently, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Again, you cut the top packet over to the right, and the top packet is smaller than the left packet. And you're going to shuffle the exact same way as you did in that first push-through shuffle that I showed you. You're going to let a bed of cards fall from the left side, and then shuffle the right packet into the left packet. Okay, so you have this situation. Okay, from here, what you're going to do is begin to push forward, and you're not going to actually straighten out. You're going to keep pushing at an angle, the angle that you shuffled in. So again, this is kind of what it looks like. You shuffle, and you begin pushing forward just the way it is, as opposed to straightening it out. Once you get to about this point, where the packets touch the fingers of the opposite hand, you're going to bring over your left middle finger, and you're going to use that and your right middle finger to pull the packets through one another. Okay? Once you pull it out, this is the situation you have. This is the original top half here, and this is the bottom half. And then you continue with the strip out and place the top back on top. So again, here's that concept. You cut a packet over to the right, begin a bed of cards with the left, shuffle the right into the left, begin pushing forward, bring over your middle fingers, pull the packets through one another, and then strip out and complete your cut. And that puts the cards all back in the same order. That's the pull-through shuffle.